In this video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube TV's NBA League Pass costs and what it includes for basketball fans. YouTube TV offers NBA League Pass as part of its Sports Plus add-on package, which is designed for sports enthusiasts. The Sports Plus package costs $16 per month on top of your regular YouTube TV subscription, which starts at $72.99 per month. This means that with the Sports Plus add-on, your total monthly cost would be $88.99. The NBA League Pass included in this package provides access to live out-of-market games, so you can watch your favorite teams play even if they're not broadcast locally. It also includes additional features like condensed game replays and highlights. Keep in mind that nationally televised games, such as those on ESPN or TNT, are not included in the NBA League Pass, but are available through YouTube TV's base channel lineup. If you're a die-hard basketball fan, this add-on can be a great way to stay connected to the action all season long, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the cost and benefits of YouTube TV's NBA League Pass, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.